So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover Dataplex Quick Start Console. Simply click on Start Lab and just right click and open the link incognito window. Now from here, just click on it to activate the Cloud Shell and remove this unwanted pop-up. Click on Continue and authorize if it asks so. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared this repository. You have to simply select it and just paste over here, hit enter. Now it's asking for the region. So just Control F, find the region. And this is the region. You have to simply copy it carefully and just paste over here, hit enter. Now wait for some time, and if you get error, I will tell you how you can get it fixed. So just wait for some more time. Now here, once you see like this, you need to come to the lab instruction and simply check the score for all the tasks. Okay, so once you see we have got 80% of the scores done, now we have to wait for the operation to get completed, means it will be deleting all the things, and after that we'll be able to check the score for last task. So stay tuned till the end. So finally it is done and all things are cleared. Now just check the score for last task also. And if you're wondering how to enable the yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Now we have covered every lab just now. So like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.